Ever feel like no matter how much you mop, your floors still look dirty? You wring it out, dip it back in the same murky water, and honestly, you're just pushing grime around. Choosing the right spin mop can actually fix that, but with so many options out there, it's hard to know which one's worth your money. I tested and compared 5 of the best spin mops on the market right now, and some of them genuinely surprised me. Let's get into it. Number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. So you just finished cooking, and your kitchen floor looks like a disaster zone. You grab a regular mop, wring it by hand, and somehow end up with water everywhere and sore hands. Sound familiar? That's where the O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop comes in. This system pairs a hands-free ring bucket with a deep-cleaning microfiber mop head. You control the moisture level with a foot pedal. Press lightly for a damp mop. Press harder for a drier one. The triangular mop head reaches corners and tight spaces effortlessly, and the microfiber picks up dirt and grime without harsh chemicals. Now, the bucket is a bit bulky for small storage spaces, but it holds enough water to clean large areas without constant refills. This is perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who wants efficient floor cleaning without the hassle. Solid system, fair price, and genuinely useful. Check the link below. Number 4. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. The standout feature here is the patented 2-tank system that ensures you're always mopping with fresh water. Unlike traditional buckets where you dip back into the mess you just wiped up, this design separates clean and dirty water completely. The microfiber mop head is incredibly effective, lifting over 99% of bacteria using only water, though you can use your favorite cleaner for a deeper scent. Its foot-activated pedal allows for hands-free wringing, protecting your hands from grime and letting you control how damp the mop gets. The triangular head reaches deep into corners and under furniture easily. Made with a sturdy telescopic handle and machine-washable refills, it is built for long-term use. This system is ideal for busy families and pet owners who want a hygienic, streak-free finish on hardwood or tile without the extra effort. Upgrade your cleaning routine today and see the difference fresh water makes. Number 3. Simpli-Magic 79349 Spin Mop. The Simpli-Magic 79349 offers a practical solution for floor maintenance. This system includes a sturdy bucket and 3 microfiber mop heads, which feel durable and pick up dust effectively. The stainless steel wringer stands out because it resists rust better than plastic alternatives. Using the foot pedal to spin the mop dry is straightforward and saves significant effort compared to traditional wringing. The adjustable handle length makes it comfortable for various heights, preventing back strain during use. I noticed the 360-degree swivel head reaches under furniture and into tight corners with ease. This kit is suitable for homeowners with hardwood or tile floors who want a hands-free cleaning process. It provides reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. If you need a functional tool that simplifies mopping while keeping your hands dry, this set is a solid choice. It delivers consistent results and represents good value for daily household chores. Number 2. Libman Tornado Spin Mop, Model 1165. Stop touching dirty mop water every time you clean your floors. The Libman Tornado Spin Mop uses a large bucket with a built-in spinning wringer to keep your hands dry. This system comes with 2 microfiber heads that grab dust and hair effectively. The microfiber material is safe for hardwood, tile, and laminate, ensuring you do not scratch delicate surfaces. The spinning mechanism allows you to control how damp the mop stays, so your floors dry faster without leaving streaks. Unlike basic mops, this one features a stainless steel handle and a splash guard to prevent messy water sprays. It stands out because the microfiber heads are machine washable up to 50 times, reducing waste over time. This mop is ideal for homeowners who want a faster way to deep clean hard surfaces without bending down constantly. It provides a reliable way to maintain a tidy home with very little physical effort. Number 1. CycloMop Commercial Spinning Spin Mop. Ever wonder why your floors still feel sticky even after a deep scrub? Most mops just push dirty water around, leaving you with a backache and a half-clean house. We've all been there, dragging a heavy, dripping bucket that splashes everywhere while you struggle to wring out a soggy mop head by hand. It's exhausting. That's where the CycloMop changes everything. This isn't your flimsy grocery store bucket. It's a heavy-duty beast on wheels. The built-in dolly means you just glide across the room. No lifting required. The spinning action uses centrifugal force to blast away dirt and excess water, so your floors dry in seconds without streaks. Whether it's muddy paw prints or kitchen grease, the microfiber head grabs it all. It's built to last for years, making floor day actually feel effortless. Stop fighting with your old mop. Grab a CycloMop today and finally see the shine. After looking at all the specs, the CycloMop commercial spinning mop is the clear winner for me. That built-in dolly makes a huge difference. Not having to lift a heavy bucket of water is a total game changer for your back. You can find the links to all 5 mops in the description below. If this helped you pick your next cleaning tool, definitely hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews.